Hi guys, just very quick. This is just a side dish, but one I thought I've had a few people ask me, do I do any sides that they could put with, say, a piece of salmon or anything a little bit different. And today suddenly when I rushed in, I thought, right, I need to use up some courgette. I have cheese sauce left in a pan that I need to use up. So I thought, yeah, I'll do courgettes, garlic, and put cheese sauce on, bake it in the Ninja. How simple. Could share it with beautiful sausages, fish, chicken, anything you want really. Anyway, I buttered one of my glass dishes. You can probably see that butter on there. I've been so quick, this has took me 5 minutes. Just sliced up the courgette, put that bit in, and I'm going to sprinkle the just chopped garlic, freshly chopped garlic, all over that. I'm going to get my pepper. Over that, a little bit of salt. Okay, and all I'm going to do is get my cheese sauce. Okay, and I'm going to spread cheese sauce on this. This is just a cheddar cheese sauce. This I recently made a moussaka, and that used the same cheese sauce base but with eggs added. This is just a plain cheese sauce. Okay, and the rest of that's going on my cauliflower cheese. I had cheddar and stuff to use up, so I thought, right, this is a great day to use things up. Right, so that's like that. I'm going to put some parmesan. I'll get out the fridge. I love to, if I'm doing cheesy things, I like to finish off with the parmesan. This was freshly grated because we use loads of parmesan because I do like Italian food, and well, I use it in a lot of foods anyway, so can't even say it's just that. Right, okay. There we go. That I'm going to put into the Ninja, and I think I might actually put it on a slow. I'll take it down. I was going to air fry it, but I don't think I will. Can you see the sauce has gone all the way down? The fact that this dish is buttered, the sauce under there, that will kind of protect things from burning. So I'm just going to put it in here, put it on a roast and take the temperature down a bit because the sauce is cooked. I really only need, hang on, where's my basket? You can tell I'm rushing today. I am at work, I'm on my lunch break. And this is going to be like for tonight. So pull my Ninja forward. Always get your Ninjas out from under the worktops, guys. Right, because they need all that ventilation. Okay, so let's go. So I'm going to go roast, and I'm going to take it down to 170, something nice and gentle. And I'm going to give it 20 minutes. See where we go from there. Okay, see you soon. I think it's about done. We've got 1 minute and 9 seconds to go, but I think that's as done as I want it to be, actually. That looks yummy. Okay, I'm just going to cut a little bit because we're going to have this tonight, just to show you. Oops. Beautiful cheese courgettes. Oh God, they look so good. Oh, I've also spilled a bit. Right. Let me try that. That's beautiful. And you will be able to heat that up because that's what I'll do tonight. I'll reheat, warm it through and serve it with whatever we're going to have. Probably some salmon, something like that. Okay, guys, so a nice, simple, easy dish for you to do. I do normally, when I was thinking about it, I do a lot with baby courgettes, and I slice them in half and I actually put them on the crisper and just sprinkle them with Parmesan cheese. They actually do amazingly, really nicely. Now this is a bit different because you layer in your courgettes, so if you've got very thick courgettes, maybe saute them for 2 minutes, but otherwise this is fine. That's perfectly cooked. It's still in one piece. It's got a tiny bit of crunch. It's not raw. It's delicious. Okay, bye.